Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. A couple weeks ago, we talked about planting basil in your backyard in just a simple pot. Well, today I want to share with you the idea of moving into more herbs in your backyard in those little pots or even a small plot. Herbs are so good to use not only in your vegetable stock or some of the dishes that you're seasoning, but you can also make teas with them. And I hang mine in little bouquets, as you can see right here. You can do that in your kitchen window as well. So today what I'd like to show you is how you can use these fresh herbs seasoning those dishes that you want to make. This is what I call a bouquet garni, and this white cloth right here is cheesecloth. You can get it at your local grocery store. You simply cut up all your herbs and you just fold this and you just tie it. And once you're done tying it, you just put it in your pot of vegetable stock or whatever dish you might be braising. You know, herbs are really therapeutic for us physically, but they're also really great to have therapeutically, something that you're growing and you're nurturing, and then you can turn around and put it in the food that you're cooking. One of the other things I'd like to mention is your flowers. You have several different types of flowers that are edible, and on Amazon right now there's a book called Edible Flowers for Your Kitchen, and we'll give you the link to that. It's a great guide to find some simple flowers that you can use to either decorate a plate that you might be presenting at a dinner party, or you can even use those in your bouquet garni or even in a tea. Just remember, take some baby steps, stay sure, strong, and steady, and your herb garden can not only be good for you physically, but it'll also help you mentally. Have a great day.